A floating stone wall frames the view of a deep valley surrounded by beautiful mountains. The infinite rise blends into the natural terrain without causing major alterations to the landscape. The region's strong winds required specific solutions to avoid compromising glass partitions and causing excessive noise if fully exposed. The main challenge was to ensure a beautiful view without allowing direct wind flow. A gabion wall was built with stones collected from the site, positioned according to human scale and indoor activities, allowing for views of the valley. All stones used in the gabion wall were gathered on site. The rooms face the valley and are arranged around an open courtyard that ensures cross-ventilation and natural lighting. Elements like doors, furniture, and cabinets were made from reclaimed wood, transforming waste into raw material. The house was built over a 6-meter-deep artificial cut that already existed on the site. Instead of creating a new intervention, the architects chose to use the stabilized topography, preserving the rock formations and natural slopes, which vary between 2 and 4 meters across the lot. An infinity pool offers an incredible swimming experience with a view of the valley and surrounding mountains. The walls between rooms are made of rammed earth, and the soil used was also taken from the site, making construction easier. Between the main structure and the gabion wall, a reflecting pool helps cool down the hot air before it enters the house. The floors are finished with green oxide, which helps keep the indoor spaces cooler than the outside temperature. Summers are very hot in this area, and the oxide floors along with the open courtyard help maintain a pleasant indoor climate. The site's natural landform was preserved, and the house blends into the landscape, creating an experience fully connected to nature. The materials used meet the highest standards of sustainability. The infinite rise acts as a bridge between humans and nature.